Lord knows, and I think I'll owe it to sometimes. Every time when they're reaching out for what's mine.
Two bedrooms, 7 little jars, can't be right. Call my brother, he in prison doing time, but we alright. Tried my best just to catch a fucking smile, but for now I see myself ain't hitting the 35.
Been awake for days, so we out living life in the night.